He has been ducking, dodging and evading the law. With pressure mounting on rape-accused Narayan Sai, now spiritual leader Sri Sri Ravi Shankar has said that he shouldn't run away and should turn himself in if he is not guilty. Meanwhile, anticipatory bail plea of Narayan Sai is likely to come up for hearing later today.
मैं यही कहूँगा यदि आप ये समझते हो किसी साजिश है तो आपको सच्चाई को सामने करने के लिए कोई नहीं हाँ बिल्कुल करना।
A message made crystal clear, an advice from one spiritual leader to another. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar directly asking rape-accused Narayan Sai to stop evading the law.
तो पहले से कह रहा हूँ यदि किसी से भूल हुई तो वो सीधा आके बोले मेरे से भूल हो गई, मैं इसके लिए प्रायश्चित करना चाहता हूँ। यदि नहीं हुई है तो फिर भी हमें डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, भागने की जरूरत नहीं, सीधा कानून का सामना करें।
Narayan Sai has been following his father Asaram's footsteps, ducking the law, making a complete mockery of the legal system. And later today, the anticipatory bail order of the rape accused is likely to come up in a sessions court in Surat. His father, who has been cooling his heels in a Jodhpur prison, will also be produced in a court in Gandhinagar, as his police custody also ends today. But while both father and son have managed to insult the way of life they had chosen for themselves,
धोखेबाजी हर क्षेत्र में है देश में। रावण भी एक साधु सन्यासी की वेश में आके ही सीता को हरण किया। ये तो नई बात है, बहुत पुरानी परंपरा।
Other spiritual leaders believe accusations against them have caused people to lose faith in religion itself.
जो आरोप है वो तो कोर्ट ये तय करे और ये बहुत बड़ा ये धब्बा हो गया है आध्यात्मिक जगत में, समाज में, जिससे बहुत लोगों को जो मन में भाव पैदा हो।
They've clearly made a mockery of the justice system. While one is facing action, the other still continues to be on the run. Will the police manage to hunt down Narayan Sai and make him face legal action? Bureau Report, Times Now.